बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेक्चर कॉमर्स के जो पीपीएस की तरफ से पास्ट ईयर पेपर हुए थे वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे विद देयर आंसर। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन द अकाउंट ऑफ अकाउंट होल्डर इज कॉल्ड डिपॉजिट। चेक इज ऑलवेज क्रॉस बाय ड्रॉअर। What is the purpose of bank slip? To pay money into bank account. Dishonored checks mean check presented to bank and refused for payment. Commercial bank is called banker. Custodian of exchange, bankers bank. Banker to government, bank of public to bank of public. The World Bank has been derived from none of these. Which account is suitable for business community? Current account. The objective of central bank is welfare of public. The State Bank of Pakistan was inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam. Commercial bank create the following: all of above, metallic money, credit money, paper. On which type of bank account may a trader draw check? Current account. A trader with a bank current account wishes to make monthly payment for a trade journal. Which method of payment would be most suitable to use? Standing order. Which service is not available to bank withdrawing cash? ABC Corporation is a large manufacturing company. It did immediate finance as it is having cash flow problem. Which sources for ABC Corporation? Overdraft. Using credit mean the customer use of good but paid later. A customer wishes to buy a laptop computer on credit. Which form of credit will ensure the laptop computer become the customer money immediately? Credit card. Telephone banking is used by customer who do not wish to visit their bank person. Which service can customer receive through telephone banking? Confirming account balance. What is the current account at a commercial bank? An account for daily transaction. What is meaning of term limited liability? Shareholder can lose only the value of their investment. A company raising finance by issuing debenture. The debenture holder entitled to repayment before shareholder if the company goes into liquidation. A contract companies of offer plus acceptance. An agreement is wide amnesia is called wide agreement. Which of the following is an offer? An invitation to offer, an advertisement, both A and B. Specific offer can be accepted by the person to whom offer is made. An agreement without consideration is wide. Consideration must move from promissory. Impexity of a contract may be due to minority. Contract of insurance is a contingent contract. Quantum merit mean none of these. Each party to a contract is both promisor and promisee in case of reciprocal promises. Income tax ordinance 2001 was promulgated on 1st July 2002. Normal tax years start from 1st July each year. Income from property is taxable under NTR. A person shall be resident if he spent the following days in Pakistan: 183 days. Benchmark rate for given by employer to employee for tax year 2011 is. The rate of tax are specified in first schedule. Employer contribution in case of government provident fund is exempt up to 10% of basic salary. Income tax appellate tribunal is appointed by federal government. There can be no loss under the head of income from salary. Revenue can be defined as the objective principle required that amount recorded in the financial statement must be based on independently variable evidence. A liability in amount of Rs500 is paid in cash. Which of the following is true? An asset is decreased and liability is decreased. An owner withdraw Rs300 each business. Which of the following is true? An asset is decreased and owner equity is decreased. An expense is incurred that will be paid for next month. Which of the following is true? An asset is increased and liability is increased. A customer is billed for a service rendered. Which of the following is true? There is no offer on any asset, liability or owner equity. The amount due from a customer whose was billed last month is collected. One asset is increased and another asset is decreased. Which one of the following account would most likely to include in an accrual type adjusted entry? The revenue recognition principle state that a company purchased first year insurance policy on June 1st, rest 720. The entire amount was debited to prepaid insurance at the time at December 31st year. At the proper adjusting entry would be include the credit to prepaid insurance of rest 420. A company collect first year rent advance on October 1. The entire amount 1200 was credited to unearned revenue. The proper adjustment entry at the 31st December ended would be included a debit to unearned revenue as 300. तो ये था हमारे पास कॉमर्स के पेपर के 50 क्वेश्चन। आई होप आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल होगी। अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।